Just because you're going into a new age, that does not mean you have to subscribe to the narrative of you're deteriorating. And the reason why I say that is because, you know, I deal with dozens of people per day. I'm a health and wellness coach, and I'm also a licensed massage therapist. And so when I'm having these conversations, man, it's like people love throwing that, oh, I'm old, you know, it's old age. You know what I'm saying? People love throwing that term around. And it's like, okay, if you're internalizing that, you are prematurely digging your grave. I hope you know that. Just because you're going into a new age, that does not mean that you have to start deteriorating. That does not mean that you have to start breaking down and becoming a freaking potato, right? See, when you start to internalize that mentally, you manifest that into your reality. So most of this stuff is mental, man. There shouldn't be no reason at all a 30, 40, 50-year-old woman should be around here talking about they old. What? You should be in your prime years right now. These are your prime years. If you're taking the necessary daily steps, your daily disciplines, pouring into yourself every single day, you should be getting better. You should not be deteriorating. Tell y'all something. In 2019, I started my weight loss journey. And it was for vanity purposes. I'm not gonna lie. You know, I told myself I wanted to change my physique. I wanted to look better physically, right? However, going down this path, I was really cultivating my mental, my spiritual, my emotional health. You know, my weight loss journey did way more in those other aspects of my life rather than just the physical, right? I developed my discipline, my character. You know, I became a woman of my word, right? I became reliable, a respectable, admirable young woman. And it's like all of these qualities that I've built has molded me into the woman that you see today. And I'm only getting better. I'll be 31 in a couple of weeks. I feel younger than ever. I feel so good, man. I feel vibrant. You want to know why? Because I'm taking the daily steps. I'm doing the things that I need to be doing. My life has made a 180-degree turn. For those who don't know, I'm a former professional athlete. I played ball overseas in Sweden and Portugal. You know, and previously up until that, you know, I played ball all my life. Elementary, all the way up through college, right? You know, going through my playing career, right? Yes, I developed the traits of consistency and being a hard worker and a team player. However, when I went down that path to self-mastery, man, that's one of the best things I've ever could have done for myself. You want to know why? Because I am investing into my future. I'm here to tell you right now, just because you're 25, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, that doesn't mean you have to lay your deathbed. No, it does not. You should not be 30 years old talking about you can't walk up a flight of stairs. Come on now. We got to do better. We got to do better. We have to do better as a collective. 70% of all Americans, 70% are overweight. 40% is obese. And I'm going to tell you something, man. You have control over that. You have control over how you attack your health. You have control over the daily disciplines. You have control over what you put inside of your mouth. You have control over your environment. You have control over the things that you're listening to, consuming. You have control over those things. However, you must be hyper intentional, because this society is manufactured for you to be in this bowl of not knowing, being ignorant, feeding you what they want to feed you, whether that be on your plate, on the TV, on the radio, feeding you this lack energy. You know, I have this client, she's about in her mid-40s. And I swear, if you listen to her talk, you would think that she's an 80, 90-year-old woman. I mean, the mindset is tarnished. I mean, there's no turning back. You know, I've tried, giving her some inspiration, motivation, and she always revert back to the negativity. Don't be that person. If you're looking at this video right now, you want to change. There's a reason why you're looking at this video right now. Because you know deep down inside that you want to change. And you know that you have the power to change. And I'm here to only remind you that. I'm here to remind you that whatever you seek out, whatever you put forth the effort every single day, whatever you tell yourself every single day, whatever you match your daily habits to, you can manifest that. You can bring that into life. So if you're a person, you want to obtain better health, you want to obtain, no more pain in your joints, you want to be able to go up a flight of stairs and not be out of breath. You just want to live a more functional, pain-free life so you can enjoy your family and your kids, and you don't have to be on the side, just watching them have fun. No, you can go and congregate with them. If you want to change your life in those aspects, you have the power. See, I talk a lot about mindset because making a transformation, especially in your body, it takes the proper mindset. Now, what is going to sustain you on this journey is having a deeper why. Because when times get rough, you can always go back to your why. Why did I start this? When I first started my weight loss journey, yeah, it was vanity. Like I said, I wanted to look good. However, continuing down this journey, I'm like, man, I'm really becoming the woman that I want to be. So my why is becoming the woman that I want to be so I can be that woman for my family. I see myself being the true inspiration for my family so they can start making changes in their life. Being that inspiration for the people, for you. You right now looking at this video, I'm here to inspire you to start your journey. Look at my journey. Another why for me, I'm not about to be one of them parents that's on the sideline. Oh yeah, I'm out there with mine. I'm out there with my little boy, with my little girl. I'm in the field with them. You know what I'm saying? Healthy, fit mama, grandmama. Yeah. Being that mold for my family. That is my why. I have completely changed my whole aura, man. And I'm not saying this to brag or boast. It's like everywhere I go, I get compliments. When I was not mindful of my health, people didn't see me. Only time people saw me is when I was on the court. I was highly talented on the court. That was the only thing that drew people to me. Is because I was so good in hoop. But wonder if I didn't hoop. I don't even think that I would have had that, because I was super introverted. But now when I go out, it's like I can't go somewhere without getting a compliment. You know, I always get compliments on my skin, my stature, and you know, although that stuff is vanity and it's, you know, outside validation. First of all, I validate myself. You know, I validate myself. However, you know, I wasn't getting all that validation when I was 5-6 years ago. That wasn't a thing. So that's a constant reminder, like, Jazz, keep on going, because the work is showing. The work is showing. Right? So I just want to hop on here, just a real quick video, man. You do not have to deteriorate as you age, man. Continue to pour into yourself. Feed yourself the proper things, man. Stay hydrated. You know, stop feeding yourself all of these dehydrating foods, and that's digging your grave prematurely. I'm telling you, dehydration. You know, lack of sunlight. Just living a more holistic lifestyle will definitely add on years, and it will add on to your vitality. Right? Invest in yourself, man, because you will feel it. As you age, you're going to feel those joints. You know what I'm saying? Like, but you don't have to speed that process up, is what I'm saying. If you need help on your journey, tap in with me. The link is down below in the description, also pinned in the top comment. I'm doing coaching calls, okay? If you just need more bespoke advice on your specific journey. And also, you know, when I talk to my clients, yeah, we're gonna talk mindset and we're gonna get you motivated and inspired. However, I give you practical advice, right? I'm not only giving you motivation. You can look at my page for that. I also give you practical advice here as well. But I give you practical, step-by-step, actionable steps that you can take to implement in your life right now to start making a change and start to seeing the results and feeling those results. Tap in with me, okay? All of my ebooks are down below. My community is down below, okay? Instagram, TikTok. Tap in with me, man. This is what we do. Jazz Avantí, and I'm out.